Hi friends, welcome back to FinveStocks. The tail lies in the tail. This means the story of the candle lies in its tail or wick or shadow. So let's explore what does it mean. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing this so that you will get notification when I post the next continuation video. If you like this content, please like it and share it to those who wish to join the stock market. The four important factors for candle reading are: one is the candle color, the next one is the candle body size, third one is the length of the shadow, and the last one is the candle closing level. Let's see each one by one. First one is the color of the candle. If the color of the candle is green, obviously it is bullish and bulls are the winners in that case. Similarly, if the color is red, that is bearish, bears are in full control. Next one is the size of the candle body. If the size of the candle body is bigger, they are the winners. So obviously we should look for bigger candle body. Next one is the length of the candle shadow. Longer the shadow, bigger the retracement from the extreme level. That will show the strong rejection from the extreme level. And the last one is candle closing level. So never judge a candle before its close. Sometimes people used to take some trade before closing, assuming the closure price, and it will lead to a disaster. Now let's discuss about long-legged candles. Extra long-legged candles are named as reversal or rejection candles. Such candles will have either long top shadow or long bottom shadow. The body of the candle can be either green or red or big or small. It doesn't really matter. The main part is the shadow or the wick. Now obviously green is bullish and red is bearish. But the key message is the story of the candle is hidden in its tail. These candles are showing strong directional basis and not to be treated as a neutral candle, no matter what is the size of body or color. This is what we call the tail lies in the tail of the candle. A long bottom tail shows the closing price level of the candle that has been reached after a good pullback from its lower level made during that period. In other words, the extreme lower end of the price was once touched but could not be sustained. At this place, buyers start rushing at this place for buying the stock. Due to this, got support and fall got arrested. A long bottom tail candle pattern with a green body is super bullish. If it is red, still the assumption of rejection of lower price holds good. Even Doji for that matter is bullish if it is with long leg, and the same was discussed in our last video. You can watch the video attached in the I button. Similarly, a long top tail shows that the extreme top level touched during that candle formation was then rejected by market, thinking that the price is too stretched and must go lower. Supply pressure comes at that point and price pushed to lower point. Those who bought at higher level got trapped. So candle with a long top shadow with a red body is strongly bearish. This holds good for a candle which is green. Even if it is a doji with long top tail, is said to be bearish as we discussed in our last video. One important thing to remember is that long tail represents price rejection. The top tail represents rejection at higher price, while a bottom tail represents rejection at lower levels. These rejections increase the chance of next candle moving in the other direction. Apart from these three types of candles, all other candles would fall under the category of regular candles, suggesting normal bullishness or bearishness based on the candle color. These are the overall bifurcations of candles. This reduces 50 plus candles to just three main type of candles, making the candlestick more easy to understand and interpret without any confusion. So let's see how to find out some long leg candles in live chart. So for this matter, we will use Airtel chart. So now we can see the live chart of Airtel. So this is a daily candle where we will try to find out some of the long leg candles. Here we can see one, the other one is here. So here we can see two long-legged candles. For example, here if we can see, it is coming from the top. So it is bottoming down here, and here you can see a long-legged candle wherein the lower portion of the tail is very long. So that shows the price got rejected at lower level, closed at higher levels. Here we can see a strong reversal of trend due to this long-legged candle. Similarly, we can see one more long-legged candle over here where it shows the trend reversal. Some more examples we will see. Here you can see a perfect example wherein there is a long downtrend of 15 days. After that, there is a strong long-legged candle wherein the Price started opening here at lower level, price got rejected and closed at a slightly lower level. It is a strong bullish candle with long leg. So it shows trend reversal, and the trend got reversed here and it starts moving in the opposite direction. This is a perfect example of long leg candle. Even the color doesn't matter. Here if it is a green, then it is strongly bullish. Even if it is a red in color, still it is a bullish candle, as we explained in our video. Similarly, you can see here one strong long leg candle on the top. So it shows a strong rejection at higher level and it start falling down after a good uptrend. So here you can see a good uptrend. After that, a long legged bearish candle and the trend start reversing. So this is a perfect example. So here in this case you can see lot of examples, like here it is first example, here you can say another example here. So there are lot of examples in this Airtel chart. So similarly you can find out similar patterns in other charts also. Here also you can see one candle, so it shows the price reversal. Here you can see a long legged candle. Here also the price reversal is happening. So that's all about reversal candles or the rejection candles. In our next video, we will see multiple candle patterns. So don't miss it. Stay tuned.
Please do like if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to get the notifications of upcoming videos on personal finance and stock market. Please post your valuable comments. Do follow the Friday basics to make your stock market journey easy. Thanks for watching and have a good day.